Hi, goeiedag. I'm really happy that you're here today with my class about the 8 common mistakes that people make when they translate sentences literally into Dutch. So the first common mistake that almost everybody makes, so don't worry if you do this. Ik heb in Nederland voor 5 jaar gewoond. Or ik heb in de Nederlands voor 5 jaar gewoond. So it's sort of a translation like I've been living in the Netherlands for 5 years. In this sentence there are a couple of things that are not possible. First of all, ik heb gewoond. This is what we call the perfecte, with heb and a participium. Heb gewoond. And we use this to state that something happened in the past and it's totally finished. So that actually means, if you say this, that you're not living in the Netherlands anymore. Also, when we make a sentence, we have sort of strict order of where time and place come. And most of the time comes before place. So you don't say, ik heb in Nederland voor 5 jaar gewoond. But first comes 5 jaar and then in Nederland. Then the third thing, if they say, ik heb in de Nederlands gewoond, also not possible. Nederlands is the language. So our country is Nederland. And for 5 jaar is also not what we use. So the correct sentence is, ik woon al 5 jaar in Nederland. The second thing I hear really often is, ik vergeet. And this is sort of a translation like, I forgot. First of all, when you say I forgot in English, it's something that you say in the imperfectum. Whereas in Dutch, when they say ik vergeet, this is present tense. So if you would translate it literally, it would have been ik vergat. But also it's not possible to say that in Dutch. We have to say, ik ben het vergeten. I don't remember anymore, I forgot. Ik ben het vergeten. Or it's even possible to say, ik heb het vergeten. But for me, I always use ik ben het vergeten. The third one. Some people say, when I'm right, and I'm right, of course, always, when it comes to the linguistics, most of them say, je bent gelijk. You are right. But no, we say, je hebt gelijk. You have it right. Je hebt gelijk. Number 4 and number 5 are somewhat similar to this. So number 4 would be, ik ben honger. Or ik ben dorst. Because they translate it like, I'm hungry, I'm thirsty. We don't say it like this, we use the verb hebben. Ik heb honger. Ik heb dorst. So I have hunger. So not even the adjective hungry, but the noun hunger. I have hunger. I have thirst. Really weird in English, but we say it like that. Ik heb honger. Ik heb dorst. So the fifth is also somewhat comparable to this. When my students come here, I ask them, wil je iets drinken? And they say, nee, ik ben goed. Because in English you would say, no, I'm fine. Nee, ik ben goed. Or nee, ik ben fijn. Okay, when you say ik ben goed means I'm good. Yes, I'm good at this or something like that. So not like I'm good, I don't need anything, thank you. Nee, I'm good. Ik ben goed. So what do we say? We say, nee, ik hoef niets. Like something, I don't need anything. Nee, dankjewel, ik hoef niets. The sixth one is, ik denk zo. When they want to say, I think so. But zo in Dutch means, for instance, we gaan zo, we go in a minute. Or when I want to show you something, ja, je doet het zo. I don't know what I'm doing, but you do it like this. When you want to say in Dutch, I think so, you say, ik denk het. The seventh one is when they want to translate sometimes. For instance, sometimes I eat chocolate. And then they would say, sommige tijd, or sommige tijden, eet ik chocola. But no, we say soms. Sometimes in Dutch is soms. Soms eet ik chocola. Dat is niet zo, helaas. Ik eet het te vaak, too often. And the last one is a really, really, really funny one. That's the word toch. In Dutch, when we ask a question, then we use toch at the end, like you would use right in English. We gaan morgen naar Erik's verjaardag, toch? Which means we're going to Erik's birthday tomorrow, right? And then there are people who learn Dutch and they say toch. And it means like, right. But no, toch is only when you ask a question. We're going there, right? We gaan daarheen, toch? And how do you answer? You say, ja, klopt. Or, ja, inderdaad. Ja, we're going there. Ja, inderdaad. We gaan daar naartoe. So 8 common mistakes which I like to call Dutchlish. And I know I'm really aware of the fact that I do it the other way around because English is not my native tongue, and we Dutch people, and also me, maybe especially me, we translate things also literally from Dutch into English. And I want to ask you, if you heard any funny things that we Dutch say in English that we translate literally, please leave a comment. Do you want to learn more about Dutch and you haven't subscribed yet to my channel? Please do so now, because every week I'm uploading videos about difficulties that are experienced by students between word pairs. For instance, what's the difference between lekker and leuk, or heel and veel, and a lot of other things. And I wish you all the best of luck with learning Dutch, because I know it's really difficult sometimes. Have a nice day. Bye!